What's the deal? It's Randall, and today I'm back in my Hellcat. As you already know, going through the process of changing a few things around. This is one of the first mods that I've done to the interior of this vehicle, and so I'm going to show you a little bit about this mod, and we'll let you be the judge of how it came out. So y'all stay tuned. And so as you can see, nothing too crazy. You just have the SRT steering wheel. From the factory, you have the chrome trim around the steering wheel, and the pieces that I've gotten painted blue, they're actually silver. So you have the surrounds around the buttons. On the 2020, there's actually a piece that come all the way around here. And so since I had extra ones, I went ahead and got my older ones painted. And then I got the lower piece painted. And of course these, as well as the paddle shifters. And so what that does is it makes the interior of the vehicle kind of have the same color scheme as the outside of the vehicle. And as I work my way through the dashboard and everything else, it'll kind of tie it all in together. So I do have future plans for the interior. And so all of these pieces actually will be gone. But for right now, it's a temporary mod that I'm going to do in order to spice the interior up just a little bit. What I also did, and I'll probably have to show some footage at nighttime, I changed the airbag out. And so when you buy the car, of course, they're going to pull the plastic off the airbag. But what I did, I put a new airbag in. From the factory, these airbags have red LED backlighting. What that means is that nighttime, just like my dash is lighting up red, your airbag is gonna light up red also. Since I'm going with the blue theme, literally inside and out, everything's gonna be blue. I changed it to a white airbag, which is a little bit more neutral, and it's not gonna clash with that blue. And so, as I work my way around the interior, you'll see some of this red go away, and you'll see everything starting to tie in together. So right now, you know, we went ahead and did the airbag for the 2020, at least for the 2020 Hellcat and the vehicles that come with the lighted airbag. This mod is going to be a direct swap. So what I'll do is I'll put a link in the description of the video showing how to remove the airbag and actually do a full steering wheel swap. And it'll show you how to get in there, change the airbag out. Once you have the airbag out, it's of course going to be easier to switch these trim pieces out as well. And so all you got to do is pull the pieces out, send them off to get painted. You can paint them yourself. You know, you can get them painted with car paint. Of course, if you want it to match, you're going to have to go with the car paint, and then you get them back on there and you're good to go. So it doesn't take too long to do it. You know, the hardest part is probably learning how to finesse it and get this airbag removed. But once you get the airbag removed, everything else comes off with torque screws in regards to all the other pieces. And so next up, I'm going to be doing a mod to the dashboard, getting rid of those red gauges. Of course, they're going to be blue. You know, by now you already know the drill. Everything's going to be color matched and kind of fitting the same color scheme. But we're going to get those gauges out there. We're going to throw some US speedos in. We're going to keep progressing our way around this interior and, you know, making it something to see. So other than that, that's pretty much it. Like I say, nothing too crazy. Just wanted to give you a quick update on what's going on with the car. I got a few more pieces that have arrived over the holidays for my car audio build. And so I'm going to be throwing those in there hopefully within the next couple of days. And we'll have some more content showing that as well. And so other than that, thank you for watching. Hey, we'll be back soon. Hey, y'all be safe. Peace.